What is samadhi? Well, samadhi ultimately means a union. One of Alan Watts's talks, as he was referring to somebody else, said, the guy he was referencing, I can't remember who, said an example of samadhi is almost like two great dancers, where they are moving in sync and time and together as one. They're not pushing and pulling each other. That's kind of a samadhi, where there's no longer this separation. There's a oneness with what is. So samadhi is not a trance. It's not a meditative absorption where you lose awareness of the world. That is not samadhi. Samadhi is, if anything, a very, very much aware in being at one with the world and what is. This is where separation drops away. I like what Ramana Maharshi talked about when he talked about sahaja samadhi, where it's just a profound silence of mind and a being one, not separate, not two with anything. So when the mind is totally silent, the idea of two and separation falls away. And so and this allows you to still act in the world. And so you can still go for a walk, wash dishes, mow the lawn, you can do things. It's not a escape. Samadhi is not an escape from the world.